For a really long time the corporates have been wrestling with an idea that could create a profoundly trustworthy stage, a stage that can be instrumental in keeping the information put away, as well as secure and protected from any current and expected dangers. The difficulties of the money area brought forth the ascent of blockchain technology that rose to conspicuousness, particularly with respect to the decentralized finance area, with the developing notoriety of bountiful resources, the creation of the Ontario network in the year 2017 by a gathering of Chinese specialists on digital forms of money, has just demonstrated a gift. This marvel of ontology was delivered by the skill of two organizers, Da Hongfei and Eric Shang. Here, you will get all data about Ontario Ontology price prediction and its specialized examination Ontology Ontario. The topography within the Ontology project means to go about as a bond for the fiat and computerized existence, where the trust variable of the majority assumes a vital part assessing the benefits of the ontology project. It incorporates an elite exhibition-situated conveyed personality framework, disseminated information trade and coordinated effort and dispersed method conventions. It mixes isolated networks, dispersed validation and unions, a flexible wind of calculation modules that are limited to explicit businesses. So it arose as a crypto monster that creates an impeccable and most dependable organization, a diverse incorporation of a cross-chain framework and supports, as a vigorous crypto organization for applications across industry and all contraptions simultaneously. It encouraged distributed trust, consequently making an exceptionally cooperative and client-cordial point of interaction in view of profound learning for the general population, as well as private neo-wallet proprietors and endorsers of the Ontario email pamphlet are advantaged holders of Ontario's somewhat. What makes ontology distinctive? The Ontario coin has been formed by the master hands of architects and capable software engineers, making it even more dependable. It has a monetary sponsorship of a hearty Chinese gathering, and consequently, it makes it liberated from any tricks. The notoriety of ontology crypto likewise rises out of the collusions with Neo, making it a regarded altcoin. No exceptional preparation or skill is expected by any financial backer to exchange crypto resources. It's improved on process on two essential systems. One of arrangement wherein ONT assists with savvy contracting practically on the comparative lines of ontology. Ontology additionally partakes in the advantages of strategy administration and guideline changes, Ontario price prediction, ontology partnerships and handshakes. As of late, there arose on-screen news blazing the organization of ontology, with Applic Music streaming stage Rocky Microworkers Glossary one of the top of the line, planting merchandisable web-based business organizations to upgrade its applications. Getting capital and foundation support from the last option. These coalitions qualifies various environments for become a necessary piece of ontology as ideal answers for DeFi installments and decentralization. Comprehension of ontology price prediction. The start of the year 2021 was very certain for Ontario, as there was enormous development from 04 to 269 by May 2021. It was a development of over 500 financial backers and brokers began benefit booking, prompting an unexpected cost fall from 269. The value tumbled to 0.58 in under 2 months. The cost nearly returned to the level from where it began the bull run. From that point forward, the coin has been exchanging a sideways venture with minor value rises and falls. Presently the coin is exchanging at 0.6969 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of 119,125,992. The whole crypto market is blasting, and the equivalent is seen for Ontario as a slight cost rise from the ongoing cost level. Huge opposition is seen at 104, and critical help is seen at 0.43. The cost has supported this help level beginning around 2021, offering a positive hint to financial backers. According to Bollinger Bands, the instability has expanded, and the cost is exchanging over the upper band, showing a hopeful standpoint. Specialized pointers are likewise showing bullish energy. RSI is at 76, demonstrating exceptionally bullish force, and it has crossed the overbought signal. The MACD line is likewise exchanging over the signal line, showing bullish energy. Generally speaking, every one of the pointers are positive for the coin, and the ongoing cost levels are ideal for dealers and financial backers to collect the currency and hold them in peace till the costs cross essentially the 1 mark. Once more specialists take on Ontology price prediction. While some digital currency cost expectation suppliers, specialists or sites do examination and expectation in light of a moderate point, others make estimates in view of a more reasonable and hopeful pattern. Alongside the market cap and crypto rating, here are a portion of the Masters Ontario cost forecasts. Ontology coin cost might reach as high as 107 and as low as 0.72 by end of 2022. The typical Ontology cost expectations for the following 1 year by them demonstrates the Ontario cost might be 0.92. In view of our Ontology conjectures, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2027 is 2027. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around 1904, according to the ongoing value pattern. And Ontology cost forecast in the impending 5 years, Ontario cost could shoot up to 188, according to our Ontology coin cost forecast. It might have a reduction. And cost might tumble to 0.52 level by the June 2022. The situation is very certain at the cost. According to the crypto ground value forecasts of Ontario, the cost of Ontology will increment to 105 level toward the following 1 years, and Ontology price prediction 2022. Shockingly, the start of 2021 was very beneficial, and the flow cost has additionally begun recuperation. The ongoing cost is exchanging around 0.69, and as per Ontology coin news, the cost is supposed to increment later on by December 2022. The digital currency could profoundly reflect positive patterns concerning cost, and it might arrive at a limit of 108. Ontology price prediction 2023. With an ever-increasing number of financial backers purchasing Ontology around in earlier years, it might just amount to the cost of Ontario dramatically and coordinate its blockchain on numerous applications. According to our gauges, the mass reception will bring about a rise in cost, and according to our Ontology cost expectations toward the finish of 2023, it very well may be exchanging between 0.98 to 128. Ontology price prediction 2024 to 2025. Various advancements in the Ontario innovation are normal. According to the Ontology cost expectations, the most extreme cost is supposed to be around 189 continuously 2024 to 2025. Obviously, force majeure is limited. Ontology price prediction 2026. According to our conjectures, a defeat may be normal in the value, prompting a cost fall. When contrasted with the earlier year, the Ontology cost toward the finish of 2026 may be exchanging around 151. Last verdict. Ontology Ontario price prediction. Ontology has endured for an extremely long period and expanded its prosperity through collusions and digestion, cooperation.